Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about simple future tense. How to frame simple future tense? The simple future tense is formed in the following way. While framing affirmative sentence, what we do? We do subject plus shall, will plus V1 form of the verb. In negative sentence, subject plus shall, will plus not plus V1 form of the verb. Interrogative sentences, shall, will plus subject plus V1 form plus at the end we put question mark. For example, he will speak the truth. This is affirmative sentence. He will not speak the truth. This is negative sentence. Will he speak the truth? This is interrogative sentence. In the same way, we can do plural. They will speak the truth. This is affirmative. They will not speak the truth. This is negative sentence. Will they speak the truth? This is interrogative sentence. Now we will discuss about future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is formed in the following way. How to frame affirmative in simple future tense? Future continuous tense. Subject plus shall, will plus be plus V1 plus ing. Negative sentence. Subject plus shall, will plus not plus be plus V1 plus ing. Interrogative shall, will plus subject plus be plus V1 plus ing. At the end we put question mark. For example, he will be dancing. This is affirmative. He will not be dancing. This is negative sentence. Will he be dancing? This is interrogative. Okay. Now as a plural, they will be dancing. They will not be dancing. Will they be dancing? Make sure that in interrogative sentence at the end we put question mark. Okay. Now let us discuss about next one, that is the future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. How to frame future perfect tense? The future perfect tense is formed in the following way. How to frame affirmative in the future perfect tense? Subject plus shall, will plus have plus V3 form of the verb. Negative sentence, subject plus shall, will plus not plus have plus V3 form of the verb. How to frame interrogative sentence in future perfect tense? Shall, will plus subject plus have plus V3 plus question mark. For example, he will have passed. This is affirmative sentence. He will not have passed. This is negative sentence. Will he have passed? This is an interrogative sentence. In the same way, in plural, they will have passed. This is affirmative. They will not have passed. This is negative sentence. Will they have passed? This is an interrogative sentence in the future perfect tense. Now let us discuss about future perfect continuous tense. In affirmative sentence, subject plus shall, will plus have been plus V1 plus ing. Negative, subject shall, will plus not plus have been plus V1 plus ing. Interrogative, shall, will plus subject plus have been plus V1 plus ing. At the end we put question mark. Example, he will have been playing. This is affirmative. He will not have been playing. This is negative. Will he have been playing? This is an interrogative sentence. I hope I am clear with this topic to all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.